everybody, Shawna here with another Stitch Fix unboxing. I feel like I just got one, but I'm not sure. They sent me another one, so I just must have lost track of time. I didn't make any requests on this one. On my last box, I kept kind of the Navajo cardigan. There were so many great cardigans. I had to make a tough decision, but I really, really loved that kind of Native American style one. And so I kept it and I've been wearing it like crazy. Also, take a look at my Wannable video I've just posted as well. I tried a new subscription box at Wannable and it was pretty fun. So check that out. I'll link it up top here so you can access it as well. Okay, so here's my box. It's pretty decent size. I'm looking forward to it. After this, I'm gonna be doing some vacation boxes because I have a trip to Mexico coming up. But for now, let's see what I got. If you've never tried Stitch Fix, I'll put my referral code down below. You get, I think, a free styling fee. And so then it doesn't cost anything to try it. It's fun, why not? Okay, my bundle is huge. All right, ooh, that looks fun. I like the colors I see so far. Huh, that looks like something I already have. All right, and there's one other thing in here. It looks like shoes. Ooh, those are real cute. Look at those. What do you think? Those are pretty fun. I can't tell, they look olive in this light, but I kind of like that little, I don't even know what that's called. That's really, really cute. Okay. All right, let's take a look at the bundle. Okay, the first thing are these jeans. They're by Pistola, and I have a couple of pairs of Pistola jeans and I love them. So I hope I love these too. Oh my gosh, I'm really excited about it. They have a raw hem. I'm really hoping they're straight leg. I'm not seeing what they are right now, but I'm hoping they're straight leg because I kind of want to crop straight leg because that's kind of a new style that I'd like to try out. Okay, so we'll see how those fit. The next is a Sanctuary sweater. Oh my gosh, this is amazingly soft. It's a super pale pink. It's really pretty. Sanctuary I know is not cheap, but it's really good quality. I'm excited to try that on. Oh, this is cute too. This is a navy, like jersey type stretchy top, and it's navy with like maroon stripes, and that looks super cute too. This is Market and Spruce. And then the last thing, now interesting, what is this? Okay, so I swear I have this pattern in a different shirt. I don't know. It's got buttons up the front. We'll have to just try it on and see. I say I'm not sure if I like it. I like red, but I don't know. We'll see if it's me, and it also depends on the price, so I shouldn't judge too early. All right, let me go try everything on. I'll be right back. Okay, here it is. This is the Sanctuary sweater, and it is so soft. I like kind of the wide neck rather than like a crew neck. It's so pretty, pale pink. Soft, the length is good. I don't know, I think it's great. It'll depend on the price. I have a lot of sweaters, so again, yeah, it'll depend on the price. Okay, check out the jeans, tell me what you think. I don't love them with the boots, but I like the wash. I think they're good at the booty. And they're not straight leg, they're skinnies, but they're cropped. And you can kind of see my sock poking up, so let's not worry about that. I really wanted to like the booties more. I don't do very well with pointy toes. And these are a little pointier than I like. Does anybody else run into that? I don't know if it just, I feel like it makes my feet look extra big or something, which I don't really care, but I don't know. I don't like them as much as I thought I would. What do you think? I think I would like these jeans better with some like little white tennis shoes or something. It's a cute outfit, but is it special? I don't know. Let's go try on the next thing. Okay, I'm a sucker for stripes and I love navy and I love soft. This is really great. Just a real casual knit shirt. It'll be kind of perfect for spring. Thin and long sleeve, and it has this neat detail kind of crisscross without like being a knot, which I don't like. It gives it a little something interesting going on. It's soft, it's comfy. It'll depend on the price. All right, let me try on the last thing. Okay, here's the last shirt. And when I first put it on, I was like, I don't know. Before I even looked in the mirror, I'm like, this isn't me. But then I looked in the mirror and I like it better than I thought I would. I think the V is really flattering. It's fun. It's kind of red with little pink flowers. And I even like the sleeves. They're kind of stretchy and fun. The buttons down the front are actually cuter than I thought. The length is good. I did a front tuck, but the length is good. I mean, I don't like too long of shirts, so I kind of like this. Give it a little tuck. Tell me what you think about this, because I'll be honest, my husband said, ew, no, but it's growing on me. Tell me what you think. Okay, I'll be right back and we'll take a quick look at the prices. All right. Okay, all in all, I thought it was a cute box. Is anything standing out to me as like, I really want, or I'm really, really crazy about? I don't know. I'm on the fence about a few things. So let's look at prices and see how that impacts my opinion. Okay. The Pistola jeans are exactly what I expected. They're 88. They looked really cute on. They're really stretchy. I like the length. I don't really need jeans right now, especially kind of going into the spring. I think I'd rather skirts and shorts, but they are really cute. I love Pistola jeans. The next thing is the Bootie, and they are olive, and they're 70 bucks. I didn't love them 70 bucks. They weren't particularly comfortable. They're by Report Footwear. I mean, they're really cute, but when I put them on, I don't think they were me, but they're cute. It was a good try. Okay, so the Sanctuary sweater in it says it's light purple. That makes sense. It looks like pink, but it's pretty close. Okay, this is 78. And this was probably one of my favorites. It's exceptionally soft. I love the length. I love the neckline. Really versatile, universal. Will have it forever. Kind of like that one. 78 is a bit steep, but Sanctuary that's pretty normal. The button-up top in red is also Sanctuary. It's that polyester that it's not stretchy polyester, it's that polyester that just doesn't breathe that well, and I tend to think isn't particularly good quality. It's $89. That's a no. $89 for a polyester shirt. I just am not feeling it that much. Okay, so then the last thing, oh yay! The Market and Spruce striped shirt, $58. We have a winner. I liked it, it was comfortable, it was my style, and it's the cheapest thing in the box. Oh, that never happens. I usually love the most expensive things or everything. All right, well, thank you so much for watching my video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. My referral code's down below, and all the things in my box are listed down below. Hit the notification bell and subscribe if you want to see more of my unboxings. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.